third time is always the charm with these freaking videos. Alright, it has been a very, very long time since I filmed. I can't believe what a hot second it has been, but I'm very excited to start filming again and start focusing on my YouTube and my Instagram and just stuff like that. As most of you know, and if you've subscribed to my channel or seen any of my past videos, you know that I got a job fresh out of college, and I definitely didn't expect to. I kind of had planned on working at Vans where I was, which I loved, and focusing more on my YouTube, but life happens and you gotta pay your bills. So I've been working a full-time job. I work 40 hours a week, so I'm going to do my best to at least get out one video a day. What you doing, mister? Did you come to say hi? Come here, come say hi to the people. You want to say hi? What are you doing? Do you not like how bright it is? Hey. Go bark, mister. I don't even remember what I was saying, so I guess I'll just start on a new topic. Anywho, so I'm planning on focusing a lot on this year. Some things have changed in my life and some really cool things have happened. Towards the end of last year, I really started focusing more on my social media, and some companies reached out to me, sorry, grandma's up, to work with them and to be an ambassador for their companies, which I am very excited about. Two are swimwear companies, and anyone who knows me knows that I've always had this deep love for bikinis, and especially good bikinis. It's my mission to always find the most comfortable, just because who wants to be half naked and be uncomfortable? Come on. I'm also an ambassador for a lifestyle company and a jewelry company. I will link all of their stuff below. I do have coupon codes if you guys want to check out their stuff, so I'll probably do some videos on that. I've also been really into fitness. I've been working out 5 days a week for the past year and a half, which I am absurdly proud about. It's my favorite part of my day, and honestly I think it's probably the only thing that gets me through my day, for my own sanity, and I love it, and it's insane to see how my body's changed and how much better I feel constantly. So you guys will see some videos about that. I'm also no longer vegan. I've been eating keto for the past 3 months now, which is an interesting feat because my best friend and my roommate is vegan, but the nice thing is that my other best friend that I work with is also doing keto, so she's been a great support system, and we've been able to figure out a lot of things together, and her husband's an amazing cook, so we've just been trying recipes and trying to find new things to eat constantly, which is great. And for those of you who don't know, keto is a high fat based diet, very low carb. We can have 30 grams of carbohydrates a day. So I'll probably do some shopping hauls and some meal prep videos for that, just because I do know it is hard to, he's so needy, I'm sorry you guys, Grim's back up here. It is hard to get creative while you're eating just high fat. You're like, okay, what has fat in it? Which everything does, but it's hard to find like the good fats, and trying not to eat the same thing over and over again unless you're okay with that, which I am. Doesn't really bother me. I'm not too picky. So yeah, take you on some grocery shopping trips, and I probably won't film any sort of workouts just because, one, I'm not a personal trainer. I don't claim to be, I don't pretend to be. I do, hi mister, try to plan all of mine and Anna's workouts ahead of time, but I'm not certified, and our gym's in a hospital, so I don't even think they would let us film if I even wanted to. So probably none of those, but definitely stuff about fitness wear and shoes, because I love shoes. And I definitely still plan on doing makeup. I had lash extensions for almost a year now, and I definitely feel like it's hindered my creativity a lot when it comes to makeup, just because I'm constantly aware of them and I don't want to damage them or ruin them because they are expensive. So I just haven't really been wearing much makeup other than foundation and liquid lip like I have on today. So I'm excited kind of for those to finally fall off and get the health of my lashes back and start really digging deep into makeup and being creative and doing some fun things, which I'll definitely make you guys a part of. So I think that is pretty much it. There will definitely be more videos to come, so please subscribe and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, I'll link everything down below. Anything I can think of, outfit details, stuff for the companies I'm rep for, anyone who has questions about my tattoos, my tattoo artist Facebook page will be down there, tons of stuff. So anything you could possibly think that you need to know will be down below. And yeah, please leave a comment about what you guys would like to see, if you guys have any ideas. And I'm also in the market for cameras, so if you have any suggestions, please let me know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.